is luxury. Like, you can tell me nothing. Don't worry. Our audio henceforth is going to be dope. Clear, crisp, and new microphone, you guys. You guys, amazing. I'll be using the mic, and I need you guys to tell me how it sounds. Is it good? So I'm unboxing on a small table, and I'm using this as something to hold this paper. Okay, so talk to you guys later. The video is already on my Instagram page. Do well to like, share, follow. Bye. I'm going back to exercising. I don't know what to expect today. I can't find my stockings, so I'm going to be wearing my sneakers without stockings. I feel I've gained some more weight. The picture I saw today of when I put on this same outfit, now that I'm putting it on again, I look a lot strained, but I feel like I need to do some work, because the other time I was feeling a lot lighter, but now I don't even know if I can do this work. I intend to do 10,000 steps today, so I don't even know if I can do it. I don't know if I can meet up, but I'm going to call my neighbor because I saw her exercising yesterday. I just told her, you know what, if you are going tomorrow, just call me so we'll go together today. But I'll be the one to call her just to know if she's going. If she's not going, I'm going to go regardless. My full fit. I'm going to insert a picture of me wearing this exact outfit on this screen, so you guys are going to tell if I lost weight from that time up until now. So we have decided to do this together today. Like I said, I needed to call her to know if it's going to be possible, and yeah, it is.
We're on our way.
We're on our way out of this estate. Are you mad? It's a very stupid. Maybe it thinks I'm a single lady. Oh God, see, finish banza, idiot. You wanted to spank me, babe. Disrespect.
The highest order.
Oh my. So am I that hot, by the way? Am I that hot for somebody to, hey, from inside that is gura truck want to spank my butt? Hell God, see, finish. I have suffered. Take it in. Don't be so mad. I needed this motivation. Like, I needed it. And so far, we've walked 12,000 steps. 12,000 steps, and I'm so happy. I know. Can I take small? Thank you. I know got money for buy you. Thank you. But you guys, do you know the funny part of this entire thing? I want to poo. I want to poo so bad. I wanted to do the thing by the roadside. But you said, no, let's go.
How can she be embarrassing us like that by the way? Go by the roadside.
If he hold you, he never hold you before. If he hold you, you will do the needful. So yeah, we're walking home, we're done, we're close to the house as we speak, and I'm super excited. We'll be doing this again tomorrow, hopefully in the evening. So yeah, you guys, check me out.
Ciao.
Check us out. Bye. Hi guys, some of you might not know I'm a content creator on Instagram, and I create content around food, motherhood and lifestyle. And someone was kind enough to notice that I haven't posted any food recipe on my page. So today I want to go get some ingredients, and then, like I was saying, I'm going to get ingredients for a recipe that I'll be creating on my channel. And yeah, so talk to you guys in a bit. I'm so tired. I'm feeling pain. Okay.
What do you say to daddy first? Say thank you, daddy. She should say thank you, daddy. Say it again.
Thank you, daddy. Thank you, daddy.
Oh yeah, which one are we opening first?
Shishi.
Okay, Shishi, let's open this one. Oh. Why we have so much gifts here is because my boys came out with flying colors in school. Hence why their daddy went all out, because what's all these gifts? Even myself, I never get this kind of gift. In fact, if I got this type of gift, I should have graduated with first class. But nothing spoiled. They used all these things to secure it though. Okay, thank you. Even myself, I could not sleep. Wait, you mean they see the remote for your car. Do you like it? I should give you take. Do you like your car? Do you like it? So which one next? Sorry.
This one.
Okay. What color do you like?
Mommy, when she said, what color do you like? And she said,
Wow! Red truck! Do you like it?
yes.
You use this one to go to the market for me.
Yes.
Eh?
The next day.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Tomorrow is my husband's birthday, and as an event planner that I am, I want to go to the market to get some stuff, and we're going to have like a dinner in the evening. I'll let you guys know what our menu for the day will be, and yeah, so come along with us. Let's go to the market to and get everything that we need. Ciao. Hi guys, good morning. Today is my husband's birthday and I'm super excited. I am so happy. I am so pumped. As if it's my birthday, but I'm already in the kitchen. I just got a delivery for my small chops, and I'll tag the handle on this screen. Her small chops are so good. Like, I constantly order from her when my friend is not available. So yeah, that is just it. I thought to bring you guys along with me. I'm so excited. So I'm in the kitchen cooking. I've not started cooking, but I've started prepping I prepped yesterday night, and I will start cooking any moment from now. So once I get inside, I'll start cooking. My dog is outside, and I went out to the boys so that the people in the house working can breathe, because these boys, their work is too plenty. So talk to you guys later. that big this thing. Hey, Papa, I need granola. I don't need this one. Give me like an onion. Give me like 2 onions. So guys, I wanted a black and gold cake. I'm not on my mic, so just bear with me. I wanted a black and gold cake, and I ordered this cake yesterday because it was supposed to be express cake. I was supposed to even get it yesterday, but she said, oh, I should not worry, she's going to do this thing, whatever, I'll get it today. And now she's sending me a white and pink cake for a man. I don't even know how to feel right now. White and pink cake. God. Every disappointment, they say again, is a blessing. So let's hope that this is sweet, because it's my first time ordering from her.
She's in the Brentford have got a £27 million